Hi everyone, this week on Friction Friday we have the 2026 Mercedes-Benz EQE 320 SUV. Luxury electric SUVs demand braking systems that deliver the same refinement as the rest of the driving experience. With regenerative braking and the added weight of an EV platform, smooth, predictable stopping performance is essential. DFC offers complete brake coverage with 5000 series advanced brake pads, GeoSpec Coated Rotors, OE-specific hardware kits, and padware sensor wires. Together, these components provide a complete OE-level brake service solution for technicians. The 5000 series advanced brake pads deliver quiet operation, stable pedal feel, and dependable stopping performance under EV-specific conditions. GeoSpec Coated Rotors help resist corrosion while maintaining consistent braking characteristics. And OE-specific hardware and sensor wires ensure proper fitment and reliable installation. Whether navigating city streets or cruising on the highway, DFC braking components help preserve the smooth, refined braking experience drivers expect. For added convenience, components are available individually or as complete all-in-one brake kits, helping distributors simplify inventory while improving efficiency in the service bay. DFC proudly supports the 2026 EQ E320 SUV with a complete braking solution. Pads, rotors, hardware, and wear sensor wires engineered for durability, consistency, and OE-level fit. If you missed this week's Must-Have Monday email, connect with your DFC sales rep or visit dynamicfriction.com to download the full sell sheet organized by make and model. And as always, stay tuned for next week's Friction Friday to see what we're launching next.